One day, James was puffing to Knapford and went down the hill. He saw a brake van. What's this doing here? It must have broke off a train. I'll get rid of it, he said. And he raced back up the hill and shot forward. And he banged into the brake van. The brake van raced up the hill and it bumped into the track and flew off. The brake van came on the rails and then off and smashed into Whiff's train. Whiff was cross. What was that for, James? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. Now look at my brake van. It's damaged. And that means you'll get bad luck. Bad luck? James, what do you mean? Rumor has it that if you break a window, you'll get bad luck for a long time. Pah, said James. I'm never unlucky. We'll see about that, said Whiff, and he puffed to get a breakdown train. Soon Rosie brought James's coaches for him. As James was puffing back, something began to splutter. Oh no, said James, I'm not unlucky. I didn't realize the engine wasn't broken. That's strange, said James. Whose engine was that? He looked ahead and soon realized it was Henry. His engine had broken down. Oh dear, said Henry. What am I gonna do now? Soon, Stepney pushed Henry back to the station. Matt was worried. Henry, were you pulling at any important trains? I was planning to pull the Flying Kipper, but now I can't. Pat thought for a bit. James. Yes, sir? How about you pull the Flying Kipper? Me, said James. No, but I'm pulling my coaches. Stepney. Yes? Would you like to pull James' coaches? Maybe, he said. That settles it. James, go to the docks. Ah, said James. He puffed away. James watched angrily as Stepney took his coaches away. It's not fair, said James. As he puffed to the docks, he realized about Whiff and bad luck. Did I get jinxed, said James. No, Whiff was just acting stupid, he said. And he puffed to the docks. Soon, Salty shunted James' train for him. James soon coupled up to the train. But soon there was trouble. A crane was acting faulty, and the workman was trying to fix it. When it fixed, it threw its load, and it landed on James. James was covered in fish. Ew, he said. Luckily, they had an extra crate of fish, so James' train was ready. James, still covered in fish, puffed away. James slowly puffed down the line. James slowly went up the hill and had to stop to let other engines pass by. Other engines laughed at him for looking like a mess. James was cross. It is with stupid superstitions, James said. And he raced to find him with whoever the train was too heavy, and he pushed James down. No, cried James. James raced down the hill. As he raced down the hill, he saw Oliver Toad puffing down the line. James, what are you doing? He said. Help, help, cried James. The signal man quickly lowered the sling bridge and changed the points for James to go on the line to Olstiff Castle. Help, cried James as he raced down the hill onto a loop. James uncoupled from his train while the flying kipper derailed. James raced down the bend and smashed to the bridge end. And he skidded down the line. He smashed into Cody in the station. Help, cried James. He flew up the level crossing, smashed into the water tower, and crashed into Whiff's train. Somehow, no one was hurt. James, are you okay? Whiff, I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry that I crashed into your train. I'm sorry that I believe that unlucky thing you're talking about. Can you please don't forget me about being rude to you? James, what are you talking about, said Whiff. You know that thing only happens on Friday the 13th. What? You know, on Friday the 13th, if you do something unlucky, you get bad luck. But how did this happen? How did it happen? Came a voice. Out steps the Topham Hatt. Sir, said James. What happened here, says the Topham Hatt. Olstiff Castle is a mess and covered with fish. The water tower is broken. Cody is damaged, so is the station. The scrapyard is a mess. You took out a bridge and a signal. And you're extremely damaged. What happened here? I don't know. I guess I lost control of the flying kipper and all this happened. Oh dear, says Topham Hatt. What are we all gonna do now? All this will cost thousands of dollars to repair, as well as you. Because we gotta find another engine to replace you while you're being repaired. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Everyone else, get back to work. Yes, sir, said the other engines. They puffed away.